Hello there and welcome. Basically I'm just going to do a quick installation how you can put WaveSpeed directly on your desktop, so you don't have to log into WaveSpeed constantly and you can just use it from your desktop. Quite a simple application. As you can see in the group here, I've got some installs there and we've got install WaveSpeed and I've got the instructions ready to go for you to just download it and do it and go through it with all the run installs and everything else, and the easy way to get it up and running. I've also done a PDF, which I'll put in the description, you can just use from there, and basically it just takes you step by step how to actually install it into your computer. So just go quickly through this now. So basically first thing you need to do is get the actual folder and open the folder up. The link for the folder is in the school community. First thing you do need though is to install Node.js. Stop it, dog wants to go out. I'll just pause it there. Okay, back again. So let's continue. Where was I? You have to install the Node.js. So you would simply come here or click it, get the Node.js. I've already got this installed, so I'm not going to install it, and then just install it and just click yes, yes, yes to everything, and it'll install it onto your desktop. Once that's done, go back to our little list and it'll open a project. So you'll have downloaded the project, and I'll just go here. So here's the project here, and you'll click into there and just type command and enter, and that'll open up a window where you can then put the prompt in. I've got two of these windows up, so let me just close one of these down for a moment. I will come out of there. Got that there now. Come back, go to the second part. So now we've got the folder open, we need to go and do the actual prompt. So it is run install, npm run install. Yeah, can't speak. Oops. Can't control my cursor either. Let me just go back to the window, type that in, hit install. As you can see now, it's curling around, it's doing its stuff, and we just have to wait for that to do it. I'll just pause the video, and when that's done I'll come back. Okay, that's installed now, so you've installed all this good stuff here. And for the next one, we just need to go to step 6 and npm run build Windows. So we'll just copy that back to our terminal. To copy it. Once it's there, press enter. And it'll start doing some other good stuff as well. So I'll let that run, and I'll come back to it when it's okay. Once that's downloaded, just Control C, come out of there, go back to your file. Give me 2 seconds. So you want to come to this folder here, which is dist. Click into that, Win Unpack, and you'll see at the bottom WaveSpeed Desktop, and you'll just click into that, and that will open up a browser like so, and it'll ask for your API key. So what I'll go do is go get my API key. Okay, I've gone to WaveSpeed, got my API key. If you're wondering, you just go into your settings, API keys, it'll bring you there. Just open that up and copy it, or whichever you've got, just copy it. Then come back to your so-and-so and save key. It'll validate it. Open it up, says it's validated. Great stuff, and now you can just go have this as your desktop, create an image. Basically, you've now got the WaveSpeed console, easy to manage, easy to navigate, and it'll just use your API key and put out your video here, then you just download it straight in and you're done, or whichever you want. So you've got them all here. Which I think is quite a nice little handy idea, should you want that. I will leave the description how to do it in my description, and you can have a little play with that. Thanks for watching, see you next time. Okay, so anyone who's interested, I've opened a school community, I'm building it up every day. We're getting there now. Now I've opened it up to the public. What you're getting there is basically, let's have a quick look, get some stuff on coding, some help with Theo prompts, N8N stuff. Let's have a quick dig in there. So you've got loads of workflows, cheat codes, Sora, simple workflows, starter kits, prompt generators, ASMR videos, Minimax videos, upscalers, all sorts of nice stuff, all very useful. I've got some master prompt stuff, basically some stuff to help you prompting, how it's meant to be prompt. What else we got? Let's have a look. Some ultimate guides, that one's in progress. Stuff on Manus AI, so people, and GenSpark, so we've got quite a lot of stuff on there, how to use it, how to play with it. Google Docs guides. I think this is, the computer's just froze. So we've got some Sora 2 workflows. So we've got some information on GenSpark, Dream, and all this good stuff. How to use, all helpful hints and ideas that will help anyone along. Google guides. So we've got Google Gemini, Opal, so I've got some stuff in there that you can use my links and copy some of the Opal stuff that I've developed. So down here you can just click on them. Notebook, Google Gemini Flash images, how-to guide and all that good stuff there. What else we got? Have a look. So basically, as you can see, I've been working quite hard in the background trying to get everything up and running. We've got WaveSpeed workflows. So we've got talking after 1 2.0 editor, adult content for WaveSpeed. So should you need to, there's a workflow in there that you can do adult content on for your fan view or for whatever you want, really. I'm constantly building on these, putting more stuff behind it. We've got some colouring books, K-pop, Sunos, AI influencer. This one was actually being sold for over £2,000 for this particular workflow. It's probably now down to about 500, but that's included. It's basically a guide how to upgrade your influencer. It works with Airtable, it automates your production, shall we say. We've got quite a few revisions. So it basically talks through what to do, how to create stuff, consistent characters, then and banana and all that. All quite handy. We've got promote any product for you with your AI influencer. Copy any Sorrow video. I need to put some stuff in there, just add some pictures and stuff, so we can copy any viral thing, remove a watermark. UGC, starting to put all the UGCs together now. This will be, by end of the week, I'll have 4 or 5 more of these UGC ones in there. I've got access to my Google Drive as well. Where have I put that? Is it in here? Or is it in Ultimate Prompts? So in here I've got a prompts library that I've acquired over the years of paying for different people's prompts and libraries. Linked to a folder, so in that, let's have a quick look in that folder. So you get access to the Google Drive with all these particular prompts. There's hundreds and hundreds of them in here, from anything you could particularly want, how to prompt anything. YouTube thing is, I'm filling this up constantly. I've got loads more on my drive that I just need to move across, but that'll get auto populated every time you click on, so probably check it out every once a week and you'll see some other stuff on there. So I just thought I'd do a quick video to show you what's in there. I'll probably cut this and paste it and make it into something a little bit better than me just dribbling on. Create movie-like images. Oh, this is one of the workflows I did with Gemini. Basically steal this off me, and it gives you access to this, and you just create all the prompts, and it basically creates scene by scene, and then you just take the prompts that it's created, generate the video, one by one you've got a perfect video. Saves you messing around with all the AIs and everything else here, there and everywhere. It's all in one place. Quite a good little machine. Probably worth the £17 at the minute that I'm going to charge for people to come and use the group. And that'll be for the first 50 users, and then it'll probably go up to something reasonable, probably at £25 and then up again. So sooner you join, the cheaper it is. And obviously if you join now, it'll stay at that price forever for you. So there you go, just thought I'd make a quick video of that, show you what's inside the group. Thanks.